Hi there, this is Veronica. Today I'll be making more items that you can make with leather scraps. Today I'll be focusing on smaller items that are good for making as gifts. First I'll be making is a bookmark. I'm using vegetable tan leather. I use a leather piece from a previous object that is partially dyed, which is the edge from a larger dyeing piece. So I cut a shape for a bookmark, finish the edge, and install an eyelet on top, then attach a strap to finish the loop. Next one, we're making the other type of bookmark. I cut out 2 triangles. So for this one, you'll want the leather to be as thin as possible. Any type of leather will work, and I'm using chrome tan leather. And glue the corners up. You can sew the corner up if you like, but you're not doing something too crazy with the bookmark, so glue should be just enough. And I cut out 2 sharp edges to make it look nicer. So this type of bookmark goes on the corner of the page. So the thinner the leather will be easier to sit in, and you also make it look nicer in the book. So these are the 2 types of bookmark that you can choose from. Next, I'm making a cord holder. You can use any type of leather. I cut a square piece that's enough to hold the cords, and then attach the bottoms on. Then that's a simple cord organizer. Here's the other way to make a cord organizer. You can use any type of leather, but vegetable tan leather will work the best. So cut out a shape as shown. Then you can make it into the organizer without any other accessories. If you have a larger piece, you can even make it into a luggage tag. The next project is a little bigger. Next, I'm making a coffee cup sleeve with a handle. First, I have a stencil piece that wrap around my coffee cup and draw a line on the stencil to make the sleeve. Then cut out the leather pieces with the stencil. So I cut out 2 straps with the adjuster and attach the straps onto the sleeve with the adjuster on one end of the strap. Now I'm stitching the sleeve together with cross stitching, but I want the leather piece to be leveled, so I'm using cross stitching method. You'll grab the thread from the right and cross it over to the next left hole and go through to the next right hole, like lacing, and continue the same process. I smooth it down with the roller. You can adjust the stitching line to make it more even if you like. And the coffee cup sleeve is done. If you have any take-out coffee cup, this one will make a lot of difference. And next one, I'm making a very simple coin pouch. So I cut out a long rectangle piece. And tri-fold it into a pouch. And attach the bottoms first. Then attach the pouch together. This type of coin pouch is nice for organized small stuff that's easy to go missing. Next, I'm going to make a pen holder. First, I measure the length of the pen. And cut out a stencil that's 3 times of the size. Then also tri-fold this. Then mark the line where the leather will be attached together. Then I cut out a leather piece for where the lid was sitting. I cut the lid to be a little narrower, which will make it look nicer, and it will also make it easier to go through the strap. Finally, I'm making a little bit more festive item. It's a Christmas stocking ornament. So just simply cut out two stocking shape and attach them together. You can stitch this up, but I think the glue will be enough. With another strap to form a loop. And attach the white leather. This one is pretty straightforward. It's pretty much like using felt, but using leather is of course make it looks a little more fancy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.